Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain how can you add functionality to the button and how can you switch between scenes. As you can see, let's begin. Firstly, I created two different scenes. The first one name is main menu and the second one name is sample scene. I created a canvas on the main menu scene and added a button. I was going to use this button when starting the game. I named it Start because this is our start menu. I created one script. This code file will be used for scene switching. I use scene management library, as you can see. In Unity, you can create an index number for each scene. And now I will write a code to move the scene with the next index number. I'm throwing this code file inside an object, and now I'm posting inside the button. It's time to determine which of the functions inside the scripts I want to choose. I switched to my game scene and I need to set an index number for my scene. The first scene gets the number 0, the second is 1. I will add a button to my game scene. This will act as a gateway to exit the game. However, I gave up using this code because I want to go to the scene I specified instead of going to the next scene. In here, I want to go to the scene with index number 1, as I specified in the codes. It's the same method with first method for live game. Now let's add this feature to the exit button. But did what we did work? Yes, it worked. Subscribe for more tutorials and ask your questions in the comments. See you development squad.